Find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment whose endpoints are. Here there are like 4 questions, and if we'll see the first question, whose endpoints are given AB, A4 comma 3, B minus 6 comma 5. We need to find the midpoint. Here I'll mark it as like exactly the middle, M. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. So here this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now if you'll observe the values, x1 is 4, x2 is minus 6. 4 plus into minus, x2 is minus 6, so minus 6 by 2, or you can write one extra step here. 4 plus minus 6 by 2, 3, y1 is 3, y2 is 5 by 2. So here 4 plus into minus, minus 6 by 2, 3 plus 5, 8 by 2. So minus 2 by 2, 8 by 2 is 4. So minus 2 by 2 is minus 1 comma 4. This is the midpoint of AB, this value. So midpoint is here minus 1 comma 4. In the same way, second question, P and Q, midpoint of PQ. So the PQ values are 0, minus 8, 10, 8. 0, minus 8, 10, comma 8. PQ 0, minus 8, 10, comma 8. So now the midpoint I'll consider it as R. So midpoint formula is here R. To find the midpoint, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So x1, y1, x2, y2. x1 is 0, x2 is 10 by 2, y1 is minus 8, y2 is 8 by 2. So this is 10 by 2, minus 8 plus 8, 0 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5, 0 by 2 is 0. So the midpoint R is 5 comma 0. Now this is the second question. Now if you'll see the third one, third is minus 7, minus 9, minus 3 comma 3. Thus you can take this minus 7, minus 9, L, M, midpoint I'll consider it as N. We need to find N. So L is minus 7, minus 9, and M is minus 3 comma 3. I need to find N. So midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1 is minus 7, plus into minus, minus 3, because x2 is minus 3 by 2. y1 is minus 9 plus 3 by 2. It is minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus 9 plus 3 is minus 6. Now minus 5 and minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. So midpoint N is minus 5 minus 3. Next one, fourth question. R S. R value is minus 3a comma 4b, and S value is a comma minus 3b, and you can name it as T. You can name anything as midpoint. So here I need to find T. So here the formula for T midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. In this, x1 value is x1 y1 and the second point is x2 y2. So if I'll substitute the values now, x1 is minus 3a, x2 is a by 2, y1 is 4b, y2 is minus 3b by 2. So here minus 2a by 2, because minus 3a plus a is minus 2a. 4b minus 3b is b upon 2. Here my 2 will get cancelled, so it's minus a comma b by 2. So the correct answer is minus a comma b by 2. So the midpoint T is minus a comma b by 2.